we have a cutting table. Sweet, let's try it out. Bring the bowl to the topping area. Oh god. Oh god. Precision mode. Oh god. Oh god. Oh jeez. It's over. I'm cooked. I'm cooking. Oh. Wait, we're back. Hello? Including that too. And that's it. Now make the rest of the order. Okay, hold on. Hey, you're stressing me out. I'm cutting this. Oh god. Oh wait, I'm actually Gordon Ramsay. Hey, watch out. And then chili. I don't think this thing is zesty. Oh my god. Whatever, good enough. Okay, and then I'm not even gonna use precision anymore. Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Okay, another one. Good enough. Why is the... Okay. Okay. Good enough. I don't even care anymore. Oh god. Oh, you know what? That's good enough. What do you want from me? Okay. Okay, good enough. Oh, good enough. Okay. Okay, good enough. Oh, that's really good. Okay. Oh, I didn't even cut anything. Okay, good enough. Whatever, I don't even care. Okay. 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 Whatever, I don't even care anymore. Whatever, good enough. Okay. If you want to cut evenly, then yeah. If you don't, then I guess it doesn't matter. But I want... You know what? I don't even... Yeah. Nice, okay. Okay. Slightly sour. Oh, that was really good. Did you see that? Okay. What? Whatever. Oh my god. Yeah, that was pretty good. How is that perfect? What is perfect to you? What the heck? Why would you put that in? That wasn't even done!
ありがとうございます。